How to open Clubhouse Room. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open Clubhouse Room, and this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to create an account on Clubhouse, log in, and once you're logged in, move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons, and then click on the people icon. So on this page, you can see the option for you to make friends, for you to add friends. Then click on the search icon. Yeah. So once you click on the search icon on this page, you can now see the option for you to start a room. So select that. And then you have to, you can now decide to select the type of room you want to start. And then you can decide to tap to go live. But before then, select, do you want it to be public? Is it for your friends? All right, or friends only, select it. All right, select the kind of room you'd like to have. Then you can then or to talk, you can type a message, you can add photo as you can see here. Then you can just tap to go live. So by tapping to go live, you have to add a title, all right, to your room if you want to. Then if you want to allow in room chat, you can do that. Then if you want to pin, if you want to attach a pinned link, you can also click on pinned link, enter in the pin, the link URL, click on add link and it's be added. Then you can now go live and your room has been opened. So this is it. This is how you can open a Clubhouse room. Thank you for watching and have a good day.